Welcome to our live presentation. And I'm going to introduce to you, present to you the best, one of the best opportunity in the world. Why I said best opportunity? Because I've been doing this business since 2000, 2001. Oh, how many years is that? 2001.
No.
Yeah, 2001.
14 years.
No, 2001. 2025.
24.
24 years.
24.
24 years. Baby, nanto ka pa, ha? O, nanto ka na, ha? So, I've been doing this for about 24 years to 25 years from now. This business is my bread and butter when I was 23, 24 years old that time. All right? My age right now is like 32. Just kidding. Okay? I'm 51 years old. All right? So why I said this is the best business? Because I've seen a lot of companies. They are saying that they are good. They are saying that they are the best. But after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, they're gone. They're gone. They disappear like bubbles. You know what I mean? In binary plan, I became a top millionaire when I was 23 years old. Can you imagine? I was only 23 years old. I'm making around, in peso value, 1.5 million every month. I'm not bragging it. I am not bragging it, okay? I don't make money by bragging you, okay? I am just telling this to you because I want to inspire you. I want to inspire you. Imagine myself, I'm only 23 years old that time, and I'm averaging 1.5 million pesos every month. So this business changed my life. You know? And the good thing about me is I'm very loyal. I don't I am not like like $20,000. Thank you. $20,000. I'm making $20,000 every month when I was 23 years old. Right? At the age of 23, all of my families experienced traveling abroad, traveling in America, traveling in Hong Kong, in China, everywhere. And the reason why I became successful because of the binary plan. And good news, that marketing plan, that's what I have right now, and I'm going to show it to you. Very simple, very easy, and very realistic, very achievable, doable. All right, so I want you to open your eyes. I want you to open your ears. I want you to open your mind and listen to my presentation for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, and I'm going to start this presentation right now. All right? All right. Do you guys see my slide? Baby Lynn, do you see it?
Yes po.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes.
Was easy.
All right.
Yes, yes,
Welcome.
we've seen it.
Welcome to our F Mobile business, the only mobile store that can make you a millionaire. Wow. If you buy your cell phones in other cell phone store, those cell phone store will not give you any profit, right? But if you are going to buy to our store, it will make you a millionaire. And I'm going to show you how will that happen to you. All right. Now let me ask you some questions. Okay. And I want you to mute your microphone because you will not disturb us. Okay. Let me ask you some questions. Who among you here want to earn $100 every day, up to 3,000 US dollars every month? Who among you want to earn that? Can I see your hands, please? Are you sure?
Me,
Very,
Jade.
very good.
I'm Jade.
That's
I want to earn that.
very good.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, how about buying your new house, your new cell phones in 3 to 6 months time, or to 1 year? Who among you here? You want to earn that? I
Wow,
think
it's amazing.
Lisa Palabi can buy a house now. I think Lisa Palabi can buy a new car now because she's making a lot of money right now. Wow. Is Lisa there? Lisa, are you there? Maybe
Yes, sir.
very good. All right. And the good thing about the
Yes, sir. Good
opportunity
evening.
that I'm going to show you is there is no auto shipment of products. In other company, you are obliged to purchase a product that you don't want to use, and you need to pay it every month. Imagine that. Wow. Hold on 1 second, okay? Hold on 1 second. There's something wrong with my Zoom right now. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Anyhow. All right. So, no auto shipment of products. You don't need to buy products every month. You will not waste your money here. Wow. How about earning a US dollars? I will pay your commission in US dollars. Oh, wow. A lot of people want to earn dollars, right? And there are millions of people dreaming to work in abroad and to earn dollars. By doing this opportunity, you will get paid in US dollars. Are you happy? I will pay you in US dollars conversion.
Wow, it's amazing, sir.
Wow,
Yes, yes.
amazing. You want that?
Looking forward for that.
US dollars conversion. And if you have US dollars bank account, you will receive my commission literally in US dollars. Ooh. How much, Maybelline, you need to pay for you to work in America? How much?
300 to 500,000
Wow.
for visa.
Oh, wow. But here, you don't need to pay $5,000 to $6,000 visa. You will only pay $4.99 US dollars or 21 US dollars, and you can make dollars every day. Let's give this a big hand. My goodness. Very, very beautiful. Wow. Yes. $4.99. Maybe you're the one who scammed me. I'm thinking, why $4.99 only? Why $21 only? It should be $300, right? Anyway. Whew. How about you don't need to invest here? No investment here. You will only pay a one-time $4.99 or one-time 21 US dollars, one-time fee, and this will be your lifetime business. So when people ask you how much the investment, no, we don't do investment here. We are not an investment company. You will only pay your membership fee, a one-time membership fee, and you can do the program. So we have a program. Wow. And you will get rich. You will get rich for a cheaper amount of $21 or $4.99 US dollars, one-time payment only. Wow. Exciting. Sabihin niyo mo, pagpangit ang buko, ha? Okay. Ayusin natin buhok natin. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Of course.
we're so excited to hear that.
You know why you need to get excited? Because you don't have any more opportunity out there that can give you this kind of opportunity. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you straight right now. I'm telling you straight right now. And the good thing about this business, you will not be scammed. You will not get in trouble, or I will not cheat you. You know why? You know why I will not cheat you? Because I don't want you to post in Facebook that Ron Capua is scammer. I don't want that. You only pay $21 and then you will destroy my name? No. No, I will not scam you. Oh, Ron Capua scam my $4.99. No. I will not scam you, my friend. I will help you make money. I will help you make money. If you have any issue, relax. If you have any problem, relax. Chill. I will help you solve that. Because I don't want you to get mad at me for just $4.99 that you have paid. Come on, man. Use your common sense. I will not destroy my name for just $4.99. That's why I will not scam you here. Okay? Please. No scam here. No scam here. For God's sake, no scam here. Let's do business. You think of me that I'm going to scam you when you pay like $5,000 US dollars. But when you only pay $5, come on, relax, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Email me, and I will solve your problem, okay? Communicate with me. Don't communicate on group chat. No one can answer you on group chat. Okay, please. These are the people who are making good money in our company. All right. And if you want, guys, if you want to become successful, you should know how to listen. When I say mute your microphone, you need to mute your microphone. Because it's a very simple instruction, my friend. Okay? When I say you unmute your microphone, that's the time you unmute your microphone. You need to follow simple instruction, my friend. Okay? Don't give me stress. You only pay me $4.99. Come on, don't stress me out. Okay? Don't stress me out. You only pay 21 and you make a lot of money already. Okay? Right, Lecton? Ah? Makulit ka eh. Okay. These are the people who make a lot of money. You know, in just a matter of 1 to 3 months, they are making this figure. They just paid $21 one-time membership. Who else? Newlin Simi, 4,800. Roaster Cabise, 6,800. Roaster last week, she got paid again like 4,000 or 3,000. Come on, man. Michael, 1,071. Michael Group is just starting. Sometimes Michael didn't read my email very well. That's why, Michael, you need to read my email every day, okay? So that your EPIN will not expire. Okay. Nancy, 2,600. And if Suri again, 4,000. Freda, 1,000. Dominica, 2,000. Another 1,000. How much did they pay? How much did they pay, Babylin? How much did they pay?
$21.
$21.
$21. Maybe Dominica scam me, huh? Huh? Okay? Okay. Mute your microphone or else I will remove you, okay? Okay. Lisa Palabi, 6,800 by selling EPINs. And last April, she got a total of $61,000. I mean, wow. SBD. My goodness gracious. How much did they pay again? Guys, how much did Babylin pay? Unmute your microphone now. How much?
$21.
$21.
Very good students. Very good students. Okay, mute your microphone again. Mute your microphone again. Very good. Very good. Yan. Yan yung mga yumayaman. That's what those people who follow the instruction become millionaire. Remember, don't forget that. Okay? Another earnings, Lecton, 225 Australian dollars. Carol, 1,265. Carol make money almost every 3 days now. Oh my goodness. And listen to this.
I just want to share some exciting news with you. Today, I finally received my first commission from our incredible CEO, Mr. Ron Capua, and I'm so absolutely thrilled.
And that is Freda. And look at Peter Carey's This is his earnings like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. Look, first, May 1, he got $27. I mean, $246. May 2, $273. Okay. May 4, $282. May 5, $291. May 6, become $318. May 7, $354. May 8, $363. May 9, $399. Oh my gosh. A total of $399. How much he only paid? $21. A total of 24 because of the tax. Wow. You know how much? You know how much the total earnings of Peter now? You know how much? Ta-da! $972. That is US dollars. That is 972 US dollars. How much that in SBD money? Let me compute. $972 in SBD money. 972 in SBD. That is around 8,113 US dollars. Are you excited? You paid a lot of money in other company. Even $50 you don't earn money. Right? Oh boy. Wow. The coffee is good, huh? Thank you, honey. You make me a very good coffee, huh? I'll give you money. Okay. Right, B? Luluto yata si Babylin.
Right.
Ay, andyan ka pala. Sorry. Okay.
Naghahang ka ba, kuya, o ako?
Hindi ko alam. Okay. Now, how you can make money in $21? Every time you have one person pay $21 on your left and one person sign up on your right team. All right? You get paid. You have one pair and the system will pay you $10. Wow. Example today, you have two people sign up on your left team and another people sign up on your right team. Whether this two is not your direct recruit, as long as you have one pair and now you have two pairs, the system will pay you two pairs times $10. That is $20. Wow. A very simple mathematics. Let's say this today or this week or this month, you have 4 people sign up on your left team and another people sign up on your right team. The system will pay you 4 pairs times $10. And that is ta-da! 40 US dollars. Wow. Very simple. Very simple. You just count your pair on your left and right. Do not count the pair of your downline. Because some people email me, Sharon, how come I don't get pairs? Why? Because I have one pair and I have another 2 pairs on my left on my team. No. Don't count the pair of your other team. Come on, man. Don't give me a stress out. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, just count your pair only, your left and right. Okay, I will tell you later. Okay, all right. Very simple. An example: you have 8 pairs. Sign up. These people, you don't know these people anymore. And you have another 8 pairs, 8 people on your right. So you have 8. So you have 8 pairs times $10. That's $80. Wow. Whoa. And then if you have people sign up today or this week or this month, you get paid 16 pairs, you get $160. Be thankful to the Lord. Because you, excuse me, you get $160. You only pay 21. Come on. Come on. In other company, you don't earn that. But you pay $300, $500. And you don't earn anything there. And then here, you have $160 and then you get upset. No. Thank the Lord. Right, Maybelline? Very good. And if you have 32 on your left team, this is only a figure. This is only a sample figure, okay? And you have 32 pairs, you will get paid 32 pairs times 10. That's $320. If you get 64 pairs in a week or in a month, you will get paid $640. And how much is the $640 in Solomon money? Okay, I'm using xe.com to convert that in dollars to Solomon dollars. Okay, so I'm basing on the xe.com conversion. So 640 in Solomon Island, that's 5,342. Oh my gosh. I cannot sleep if I'm making like that. 128 people join on your left and 128 people join on your right in a week or in a month. So your total commission is $1,280. If you have 256 people joining on your left and 256 joining on your right, you get paid $2,560 US. And if you have 512 pairs, that will pay you $5,120. And how much everybody pay? Michael, how much? Unmute your microphone, Michael. Let's see if you're listening. How much did they pay, Michael?
$21.
$21. Michael is very fast to answer, huh? But always read my email, huh? So that your email will not expire. Okay? You always you giving me hard time, huh? 2 days, huh?
Yeah,
Because
busy with job, so I don't check the.
yeah, very good. Okay. So you see, I know all of you. I know all of you. Okay? My gosh. How can you purchase a cell phone? If you have a target cell phone brand model, like iPhones, Apple or F Mobile brand, we have a first cycle binary pairing bonuses that you can pay your new cell phones without coming out from your pocket anymore. It will automatically pay from your binary fourth cycle system. Okay? When you purchase a cell phone, of course the company earn money. You need to allow the company to make money also, not only you, huh? Okay? On your first pair, you will get paid in cash. Second pair, you will get paid in cash. Third pair, you will get paid in cash. On your fourth pair, this will be goes and saved to your product voucher. And that money, once you save that, you can use that to to purchase a product. On your fifth pair, excuse me, you will get paid in cash again. Sixth pair, I'll pay you in cash again. Seventh pair, I'll pay you in cash again. On your eighth pair, that will be deposited to your product voucher. On your ninth pair, you will get paid in cash again. 10 pair, cash again. 11 pair, you will get paid in cash again. On your 12 pair, that will be goes to your product voucher. Oh, wow, amazing. So everybody will can purchase a products. Wow. Amazing. Why? Okay. Company and safety net. So we have a company safety net, because if we don't have a safety net, I will get bankrupt and we cannot continue this. Of course, we have company safety net. 5 pairs daily per one account. That's enough. Because if you have one header account and it will pay you 5 pairs every day times $10, that's $50 a day, times 31 days, that's $1,550. You only pay $21. That's why many people adding additional accounts. Okay? If you have 3 headers account, okay, this will be your potential income. So for each account, you will get paid 5 pairs daily, right? In other words, so you have 15 pairs for 3 accounts daily. So times $10, you get $150. Times 31 days, that's $4,650. How much is that? Is the 3 heads? $63 only. Some people purchase 7 headers, 7 accounts. So for one account is 5. So because you have 7 heads, 7 times 5, so you will earn 35 pairs a day, like Lisa. Times $10 a day, that's $350. Times 31 days, that's $10,850. And the 7 headers is only $147. Some people, you know, adding accounts for 12 headers. So 12 times 5, that's 60 pairs a day. So if you are making 60 pairs a day times 10, that's $600 a day. In 31 days, that's $18,600. The 12 headers account is $252 only. Lifetime. And some people, 21 headers, that's 105 pairs a day times 10. $1,050 a day, your potential income. Times 31 days, that's $32,550. How much the 21 headers? 441. It's up to you how many headers you want. It's up to you how many income that you want to earn every day. It's up to you. And these are the extra income that F-Mobile will give you. You can sell e-pins. Wow. So by selling e-pins, if you have new members, get the money and then email me, Ron, can I buy e-pin and deduct it to my commission? I will do that for you, and then I will give you the e-pin and you can register your new member. Because if you ask me to send your money to Western Union, example, Ron, can you send my $400 to Western Union? The Western Union asks you to pay 10% on MoneyGram. But if you will sell that, if you will buy that $400 by buying the e-pins and sell it to your new members, you save 10% piece. You save $40 again. And some of you selling the 280 SBD, right? I think you will become rich than me because you're selling my registration 280 SBD. Okay, but of course that's reasonable because those leaders when they sell you ePIN for 280 SBD, they are the one who are helping you. They're the one who pays the fees in the bank. So I think that's fair enough. And another extra income that you can make aside from binary is the F-Mobile social network media platform. Wow. Wow. Look at this. These are the this is our now this is the Facebook, right? This is the Facebook. And this is our platform. Amazing. You see Jennifer, who's this? Kula Sama Tauku, good evening and happy earnings everyone. So this is our, always check your social network website, because without you knowing, it's like very nice, right? So you can make I can message Conrad. Hello, Conrad. See? Hello, Conrad. See? And later on, everybody can make a video calling here. Wow, video calling. Are you happy, video calling? You can make a video calling, messenger calling. You want that, guys? Wow. Oh. How much did you pay? $4 only. Wow. Very beautiful. Oh, do you see it, right? Do you see my desktop, right, Babylin? You can add friends here. You can add friends. Ah, okay. And then you can see your earnings here. Your earnings here. Look. Let's see the earnings of Lisa Palabi. Lisa Palabi, don't visit this yet. Don't visit the website yet. Let's see how much he's earning right now. Let's see. Lisa Palabi. Here's Lisa. Let's go to Lisa. Lisa earnings. Oh my gosh! $129 without doing anything. Goodness gracious. Wow. And these are his. And his sponsor is me. Direct Apply is me. And these are her people. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Nakita mo ba? Yung ano ko? Look at that. This is your extra income. Is that okay with you? That pay you extra income? Huh? Okay? How do you earn? Okay? How do you make money in our social media platform? Okay? How do you make money in our social media platform? Okay, look. Do you see my desktop? My slide, right? In Facebook has 3.07 billion active users. Facebook has 3 billion active users. Can you imagine? And you are one of them. You are one of the active users there. Did Facebook give you shares? No. Doing Facebook is not free. Why? Because you are paying your cell phone internet data, correct? It's not free. It's not free. Using Facebook, you pay every day. You pay internet every day. Every day. You pay your data every day. Who make money in Facebook? Who make money in Facebook? The owner. These the only people who make money in Facebook, right? But you don't earn money, but you pay your internet data always, right? Oh wow.
Give me go, yeah.
Mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. Okay. How many years that you've been using Facebook, Lisa? How many years, Lisa? How many years that you've been using Facebook, Lisa? Are you there, Lisa? Some of you use Facebook for, huh?
20 years, 20.
Wow, 20 years, 15 years. My goodness
But
gracious.
not earning anything.
Oh my goodness. But you see your earnings, Lisa? You see your earnings, 129? Wow.
No.
Oh no? Okay, hold on. I'll show you.
You mean
Give me go, yeah.
In social media, you show it, right? Wow. You make $100 already. Facebook don't even give you candies or coffee, right? Right? They don't even give you coffee. But Lisa, I already gave him commission 100. How much in it, Lisa? $129 today. Can you imagine that? Would you like to earn an extra income from all your members who will join under you from using F-Mobile social network? Of course. And you can earn up to 407,000 SBD money by referring 5 friends only. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Facebook doesn't pay you a single penny for all of your friends. They won't pay you anything. But when you join our F-Mobile social network as an extra income, F-Mobile social network will pay you starting from 50 cents up to 30,000, up to 407,000 SBD. My goodness. This is how you can make money. Let's say, for example, you join in our social network platform. Do you know 5 people, Babylin? Alisa, do you know 5 people? Of course. Even students can join. Even babies can join. Even our grandfather can join. All right, everybody can join anywhere they are in the world. All right? Do you know 5 people? Do you know? Before we continue, but maybe you don't know, you don't have 5 people. I'm wasting my time here. Okay? Do you know 5 people? Unmute your microphone. Do you know 5 friends? Lecton? Do you know 5 friends, Michael?
Yes, yes.
Of
Yes.
course. Do you have
Yes.
classmates?
Yes.
Of course. Do you have classmates? Do you have neighbors? Do you have teachers? Do you have sister? Do you have brothers? Do you have relatives? Come on, man. You only need 5 friends who want to make money, and teach these people to invite 5 friends also. And that will be your second level. And once the second level people register their 5 friends also, 25 times 5, you have 125 people on your third level. So, these third level people, you don't know this anymore. Right? Like Lisa. Okay? Look at his people. Right? They don't even know these people anymore. Do you see my Do you see my screen, Han? Patingin? Ano makita? You see? Okay, very good. You see? So you, Lisa, don't know, Lisa, you know this Nestor Maymorsa, Babylin? Do you know these people? I mean, Lisa, do you know Laura?
No.
You don't know this.
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know because you don't visit your website, huh? And your earnings right now is $129 already. Wow. Wow. My goodness. See? This only like in less than a month. This in less than a month. Right, Lisa? Wow. So,
Yes.
Lisa is very happy. Oh, see? Oh my God, I have another 129. I don't know that. I don't know that. So, are these people 125? No, they have 5 friends also. They have 5 friends in Australia. They have 5 friends in Kiribati. Of course, they have relatives. They will register 5 friends also. Are these 625 here also want to make money? And they can register 5 friends also? Of course. And that will be your 5th level. Right? And these people, once they register their 5 friends, you have 15,000 on your 6th level. And once the 6th level register their 5 friends, this will be your 7th level. And the good news here is, in Facebook, you won't get anything here. But when they join in F Mobile social network platform, I'll pay you 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents for each person. Each person, I'll pay you 50 cents. Wow. My gosh. Oh my goodness. You like that? Oof. Let's say, for example, Michael registered their 5 in 1 month. So he get $20 in 1 month, $2. Second month, let's say everybody get 5 every month. On your 3rd month, you make $62. On your 4th month, you get $312. On your 5th month, you get $1,562. On your 7th month, 6th month, you get $7,000. On your 7th month, you get $38,000. On your 8th month, total of $407,000 SBD. But what if you guys register 5 friends every day, and this will be your income every day? Wow. I'm not mad. I'm just excited. I'm just excited. Are you happy? Are you happy with the extra income? Guys? My God. That's only extra income, huh? That's only extra income, Babylin, huh? Huh? Extra income only, huh, Lisa? How much?
Yes, sir.
How much did you pay for this? How much did you pay?
$4.99.
Oh my gosh.
$4.99.
Oh my gosh. You scam me again. You did not scam. You scam me. Okay? If you earn 50 cents, I also earn 50 cents. Everybody will earn 50 cents. That's fine. I'll pay you 50 cents. I earn 50 cents. That's fine. Everybody equal. Is that fine with you? Wow. The Lord will bless us. The Lord will bless us. The Lord will bless us. What if everybody register 10 friends each? So if this first level register 10 friends, you have 100 friends on your second level. If this 100 friends sign up 10 friends each, so you have 1,000 on your 3rd level. If this 3rd level sign up 10 friends each, you have 10,000 here. And if this person on your 4th level sign up 10 friends each, you have 100,000 here. So from your 5th level, you only get you have already 50,000. and that's 425 thousand SBD. You know why this will happen? Because you are in the right company, and that's friendship. You know why this will happen? Because I won't cheat you. I will pay you every day. I will pay you every day. Every day. If you have $100, withdraw it tomorrow. If you have $300, withdraw it tomorrow. If you have $300, withdraw it tomorrow. So what's the problem? Right? I'm sure you will not withdraw your money and make it $50,000. No, I'm sure some of you, if you have $50, you're gonna withdraw it tomorrow. Right? Right? Oh, it's already morning here, huh? Are you excited, guys? Okay, unmute your microphone now. Are you excited?
Excited.
Very excited.
Ooh, oh my gosh. For just even students has $4.99. Right? Right, Libelen? Libelen, don't just watch me. You talk. Like Libelen?
Ah,
All right. Wow. So it's up to you if you can invite 10 people or 5 people every day, every week. It's up to you. And the system will pay you automatic every time you register. Ta-da! 50 cents. Ta-da! 50 cents. Ta-da! 50 cents. But remember, I will only pay you up to 7th level, okay? Michael, don't ask me to pay you on your 8th level, huh? Michael. Okay, I don't have money to pay you on 8th level. Only 7th level. That's enough, Michael, huh? That's enough. We're almost done. How much? $4.99 only. Wow. And no tax, but on July there will be a 10% tax. That's why invite people more. All right. So remember, we have 21 IPP and we have $4.99 social media. If those people don't have $21.99, offer to join the $4.99. Correct? If those people don't have $4.99, oh my God, you have big trouble in your life. Imagine you're 35 years old, you don't have $5. You better join us so that you will get money, huh? Okay? Okay? Oh, wow. What are you waiting for? Join now. Join now. Wow. Contact the person who shared you this opportunity and join up. All right?